Hey there! Today we're going to learn how to draw a cheerful sun and fluffy clouds. Remember, don't worry if it doesn't look perfect on your first try, practice makes progress. So, grab your crayons or markers and let's get started. Start by drawing a big, round circle in the center of your paper. This circle will be the base of our sun. Now, let's add some sun rays to make our sun shine even brighter. Starting from the edge of this circle, draw a straight line up and back to the edge of the circle, creating little gap between lines near the circle. Then repeat and draw next line up, but this time draw longer ray. Try to draw rays round the circle without taking your hand off. You can draw as many rays as you like, but a good number to start with is around 13 to 16 rays. To give our sun some character, let's add a friendly face. Draw two eyes and a smiling mouth. You can also add some rosy cheeks if you'd like. Time to color. Use your favorite bright yellow crayon or marker to color in the circle the sun rays. Now we're going to learn how to draw a fluffy cloud. Let's start by drawing a curved line at the bottom of the page. This will be the lower edge of our cloud. Imagine you are writing letter C, which is lying on the back. To create a cloud, you can connect 4 or 5 letters C together to create long and even line. Now, draw the same curved line upside down above the first one, parallel to it. This timeline will create the top edge of our cloud. Great! Now, it's time to add some more clouds to fill in the sky around the sun. They can be different sizes and some may be more round, others oblong, whatever you like. Let's give our cloud some volume. To do this, draw little lines at the end of some letters C you draw to create a cloud. It will give our cloud some depth and texture. It's coloring time. Use your favorite shade of light blue to color in your cloud. Remember, clouds are soft and fluffy, so color gently and use light strokes to create a soft effect.